I think what people perceive as the advantage to representing themselves in court is that they are always going to be the person who's most passionate about the case because they have everything on the line. They feel like an attorney is removed from it. Not that that's fair or true, but someone who represents themselves feels like the attorney just isn't ever going to be quite as passionate about it and isn't going to know everything that they know. Somebody who represents themselves feels like they know everything there is to know about the case because they were there.
Mm-hmm.
There are so many disadvantages, so much so that there has to be a special hearing to allow someone to represent themselves. And judges go through a long list of questions, and they want to know all about the person's educational background and experience with the legal system before they will even allow someone to represent themselves. The disadvantages are that the law is very complicated and very technical, and jury trials are very complicated and very technical. And when you get in the middle of a jury trial, just knowing when to stand, when to sit, when it's proper for you to address the judge or the jury, which objections are proper, and what those objections mean, that can all be very difficult for an average person to navigate, even an educated person, even someone with a master's degree, let's say in engineering. It's just such a foreign language, so to speak, for people who haven't been to law school, that it can be really difficult. And in such a high-stakes situation where your freedom is on the line, and they have so much anxiety and concern about that, also having to worry about all of the small logistical things in trial, where to stand, where to sit, when to address the jury, when to address the witness, when to address the judge, how to answer objections, what objections even mean. That can just be very difficult for a person to navigate.